Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, Beenie Man, our doctor, has taken over our show today, and it's all about his new album, Simma. But before we get into the album, we wanted to talk a little bit about your legacy, sir.
Okay.
A little bit about that.
No. Well, a piece of it, because obviously, you know.
Like how we did talk about legacy.
Yeah, we had that.
Did you know that you would have been the legend that you are today?
No, well, nobody know where they go becomes.
Yeah.
But you started out to be
Yeah.
I got you.
that person.
Yeah.
So, all right, you started out to be a star because you want to be known. And then when you be known, you want more. So you go more.
They push like a harder, yeah.
You push like harder until you become who you are.
Yeah.
Now, remember, I'm doing this since I was 5.
Wow.
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 I'm 50.
Wow.
So I'm doing this for. Okay, good.
Hold on.
I'll come up, yeah, one.
Count yourself, yeah. Good. Don't worry about it. And then, I did my first single when I was 8. Did my first album at 10 years old.
Wow.
See it? Then after 15 years old, you know, your voice change now, you start turn big man and you start go high school and thing, and then your voice start turn rough and them thing there.
Learn off DJ different.
You have to change your whole
Change the
thing.
style.
Yeah.
So I did it, but then 1991, April 11, 6:45, I went on stage, a national stadium, and said, "Hey, Green, I'm over this." And then I get the national boo.
That's always steer.
Yeah, then I realized that this is my motivation.
Yeah.
Because I've done so much bad things in my life that, you know, I need to get a little wash off, you know. A little brush off, a little shoulder off, you know. Yeah. God have to come in your game now. So God in my game now.
Which is right.
So God there on my side and God there behind me and say, all right.
So, Beenie, would you say that has been one of the pivotal points in your career, or
That is
it
my
came
most
later?
Rememberable time in my life. You know.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, so that is.
And that was a little knockdown, little bit.
Yeah,
wow.
It's not a knockdown, you know. It's a knock up.
Knock up. Got you.
Because
Gotcha.
When people think say me get knocked down, that motivates me to get better
Rise, yeah.
and be stronger. I know say never you say the wrong thing at the right time. Cause the wrong thing at the right time, I go mash you up.
The wrong thing at the right time.
Yeah, me they at the right place at the right time, but me say the wrong thing.
That's a word right there. That's a word.
Never
right
you
there.
say the wrong thing.
All right. So,
Right
so
there.
you know more. I ask you, what is it that you love the most about becoming a father?
Oh.
Hey.
Because we're not talking about fatherhood.
No, boy, watch what a fat boy.
Right? Right?
Where you gone?
Right? I was like, no, becoming a father. No, this.
Just lower it a father and a brother. The greatest thing is to becoming a father is to have one of you in the world. For no say it's not you alone. You see me? Because the first go, you know. I'm good. See?
Target.
I say, all right. My daughter nice and she go, whoa.
Aye.
Second go good. And me I say, my son, whoa, and this and that. But you gotta know. You see, kids is your, what do you call it now? Is your lifetime achievement.
Oh.
There's nobody like your kids. There's nothing else you can do but your kids. Sometimes people cuss your kids and say, ray, boom, bam, boo, 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 but they're yours, dog.
You have to own them. No matter what.
They're yours. Or
hear
even
that.
when you want to disown them, or you want to say,
Are
ray,
you-
boom, but they're yours.
Yeah.
And they're your life.
Yeah.
And they're part of you.
Yeah.
And it's your
It's
responsibility
yours, yeah.
to respond for them.
For them.
You
Whether
see?
the good, the bad, or the indifferent,
Yeah.
and you have to take part of the responsibility
Yeah.
for how they are. I hear that.
Sometimes some of the mothers will be,
Yeah.
disgruntful and say,
Yes, things.
things
yeah.
that they're not supposed to say.
As we mothers do.
But they still say it. But Yeah.
Yeah.
We're going to jump straight to the album now. Yeah?
Yes.
So
Yeah.
Simma, tell us about this project.
Oh, Simma.
Yeah, how many tracks, producers?
All right. The Simma is 20 tracks.
Ooh.
It's not supposed to be 20 tracks, but we make 60 tracks for the album. What are we going to do?
Ooh,
Thank
okay.
you very much.
20 tracks,
Yeah,
got you?
yeah. The album is 20 tracks. And the producers... God,
All right, make we see some of them.
yeah, it's seriously. Yeah,
There's a lot of them.
Yeah, there's a lot of producers. And then the album is dedicated to my moms
Oh, that's lovely.
because I last her 4 years. Because this album is 4 years in the making, you know. That's why you know it's there.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's why you have 60 tracks.
Yeah, but when I was making the album, my mother dropped out. You see it? So then I have to bury my mother, and then I have to get over all of that.
Yeah.
My mother, my best friend.
Yeah.
Not nobody when I talk to. I talk to my mother all today.
Yeah.
But that's why I know still.
Blessings. My mom passed away
Yeah,
this
yeah,
month.
just
No, I hear
why I know
that.
still. I love my mother like that.
Yeah.
And I'm my best friend. And
Oh,
she
some
always...
sorry.
Some artists.
Where is it?
No, man, so I see some features on it too, Morgan Heritage.
Yeah, Morgan.
Is it
man,
Signal?
features wicked.
Fanatics.
Nah, man, I see this thing, man. A wicked thing me going on.
Yeah.
Me just thump up the studio.
Nice.
Me just go in the studio.
You know the thing.
All right.
Think of it.
What do you want people listening? I know there are 60 songs, and I assume that some of them is a cathartic way for you, for your
Yeah.
mom and everything. What do you want listeners to take away from the whole
Oh,
album?
the album, me a body now, I'm bad.
No, but we are get the album where you want with it. Take
No,
us-
man, I'm bad album. Me have Afrobeat, me have hip-hop, me have R&B, me have everything.
Everything.
Me all Maya is on the album. Do you know this thing?
I didn't know Maya.
Maya is on the album. Again. So,
Again,
you know, me
yes.
and Maya win the Grammy and thing. So we're
Oh.
going back for the next Grammy.
Right.
Oh.
And she's on this album right now. So it's
I have
nice.
vibes in it.
What do you say?
I have a vibes.
What you not doing? What you not saying? So we have African, we have English people, we have Jamaican, we have everybody.
We have everybody. How can people find you on social media?
Oh, King Beenie, man. Anyway, just...
Find everything. Find
yeah,
everywhere.
just anything. Just King Beenie, man. That
Right.
King
Beenie Man.
Beenie, man.
And Simma, the album is out
And the
now,
album is
and we
in
can
my-
get it
it's
on
out now.
all
You can get it on all platforms.
streaming
That
platforms.
every platform. Like if you want to go there and build a platform album.
We're on dip on it. Thank you so much, Beenie Man or Doctor, for
Yes,
taking over Daytime
Daytime.
Live with us today. Simma
hear me
is
now.
out.
Daytime, this is my time. Me just want to
Daytime
tell you
is his
something.
time.
Well, and,
Go
some-
and stream it.
Daytime.
Daytime.
Some-
Hey, the show done. Just so you know, it
Make sure
done.
to stream the album.
Stream the album. Ah!
Simma.
Stream the album.
All right, please remember to check on your loved ones.
I know your
support our
time, at
community.
your time,
Thank you for
and this
tuning
time my
in. We'll be
time.
back on
Zaga.
tomorrow with much more buzz.
Ah.
The games, of
All
course.
right.
Ah.
Yes, yes.
About time. This is another line.
Yeah.
Bad man day, I know.